This is Unit 2, Practice 1, based off of Lesson 1. I'm going to make different videos for each of the practice questions. I might put 1 and 2 together. It'll indicate on Schoology which ones are together. So again, if you haven't tried the practice on your own, or because you weren't in class, and again I give you time in class to do this, please pause the video or not watch them yet, try them on your own, and then check the answers here. Using diagrams A, B, and C provided below, identify the angle relationship and determine the measure of the missing angles in each diagram. So they give us in A this 36 and this X, and notice we have the little V here, so these are vertical angles. That is the angle relationship. Vertical angles, which are in the same place, are always congruent to one another. So angle X equals 36 degrees. Here we go. For example B, we have either a linear pair. Remember, pair means 2. We could also call these two angles supplementary. Technically, if you wanted to say angles at a point, you could, because this is a straight angle and measures 180, but because it's 180, we don't use that in our calculation. We're only concerned with the angles that form a line. But because there are two, we can refer to them more specifically as linear pair and supplementary angles. Pair means 2, supplementary angles is also only for 2 angles. So we know that angle Y plus 121 degrees equals 180 degrees. So when we subtract 121 from both sides, we get that angle Y is 59 degrees. For example C, these are angles at a point. Right? They all have a common vertex right here, and the rays are shared. So angle Z plus 82 plus 172 have a sum of 360 degrees. So we add those together, we get that angle Z plus 254 degrees equals 360. And when we subtract the 254 from both sides, we are left with 106 degrees for the measure of angle Z. This concludes practice example, or practice number 1.